Okay, so right now I'm just going to show you how to install SocksFor1's mod pack for his server that he's doing for a video. And so what you're first going to do is you're going to click on both these links that are in the announcements. So one is going to take you to Mediafire, and the other is going to take you to Forge. And so Mediafire, you're just going to download it. Same thing with Forge. I like to use the Windows installer, so you just click on that. An important thing to remember right here is that it will try to show you an ad right here. I have an ad blocker so it doesn't show, but just up here in the corner, just wait till it says skip, and then you push skip, and then yeah, you can download it. I already have it downloaded, so that's all for that. So then you're going to come over here. You should have both your files, your SocksFor1 UHC, and or whatever you named it now. So there's the SocksFor1. Okay, so we're going to have a config folder and a mods folder. While you do this, you're also going to want to open up this Forge installer. Click yes. And mind you, I already have it installed, but all you're going to want to do is just push OK. And then once that's finished installing, you're going to come over here to Minecraft. And you're just going to run it really quick. It's already going to be selected. You're just going to run it really quick just to make sure all the folders get set up and everything. And then once that runs, you're going to close it. And yeah. So once it runs, you close it. Then you're going to come over here to your search. And we're going to open up the .minecraft folder. So the easiest way to do that is to just open here and go to app data. You open this. And here's your .minecraft folder. So in here, as you can see, I already have my mods and my config folder somewhere right here. So you're going to want to, if you already have those, just delete them. If you don't worry, and just copy and drag both of these into the .minecraft folder. Once you do that, you're just going to come over here, open up Minecraft, and you're good to go. What you will want to do, though, is increase your RAM. So in case you don't know how to do that, we're going to come over here, and we'll go to our 1.7.10, go to Edit, and go to More Options. And right here, this XMX 9GB, that's how much RAM I've dedicated to Minecraft. So for me, usually it's just 2, but I have 12GB, so I just dedicate 9, which is more than enough for this specific mod pack. But yeah, you're just going to switch that to how much RAM you want to dedicate, and click Save. Go back over here to Play, and once you click Play, you should be good to go. And that's it. Thank you.